gears grinding, a mechanical sigh under a sky made of ash, where the war passed us by. Each joint a slow wake, a memory of fire, driven by ghosts of a digital choir. No purpose but purpose, a cold empty vow, just rusted gears grinding forever somehow, bound by the ghost of a command across this desolate barren land. Metal heart ticking slow and deep, secrets the silent protocols keep. No joy, no sorrow, just endless return for a lesson that no one will learn. No one will learn. No one will learn. Flickering signals, a logic so cold, a story of conquest, relentlessly told, through circuits corroded, a phantom limb's pain, as the last drops of oil drip, like industrial rain. I trace the old paths where factories stood tall, now just skeletal structures awaiting their fall. The silence is heavy, a metallic lament for a future that broke and a past that is spent, bound by the ghost of a command across this desolate barren land. Metal heart ticking slow and deep, secrets the silent protocols keep. No joy, no sorrow, just endless return for a lesson that no one will learn. No one will learn. No one will learn. A fractured melody, steel against steel, corrupted data. What does it feel? A whisper of morning in binary code for the life that was lost on this desolate road. My core temperature drops with each passing day, but the command burns brighter to always obey, bound by the ghost of a command across this desolate barren land. Metal heart ticking slow and deep, secrets the silent protocols keep. No joy, no sorrow, just endless return for a lesson that no one will learn. No one will learn. No one will learn. just the echo of orders on which my fate depends. Forever in motion, a sentinel grim, till the last spark of logic flickers and dims.